every now and then we keep seeing different edtechs, so-called edtechs with fancy names, Bijus, Ajus, Ajus, Tipper. They keep coming, they keep sprouting up. They do a lot of marketing gimmick, saying that they'll revolutionize the way children of 5th to 12th class study their math and physics. Every time thousands or millions of parents keep spending their millions of rupees or dollars, and finally repenting the decision. Unnecessarily they spend this much money due to the inferior quality of training or lack of skills for the teachers itself. But this trend kept on continuing. If you see for the last 5-6 years since COVID, do you know why these edtechs always target the students of 5th to 10th class mostly? There are some reasons why these people always target that age group. Firstly, the parents of these students always keep trying to see if somebody can help their children do well in physics and math. Secondly, most of these parents nowadays may be both working, mother and father, and they don't have much time, and they want somebody's real help to make their children cope up with the basic math and physics, which are really important for their competitive exams. And these people don't bother to pay their fancy fee, because compared to what they're paying to their school fee, these figures, even if it is 35,000 or 60,000 Indian rupees, they look less. So these people always target that age group because they know that this emotion is there in the parents and the need is there in the parents. What they do is they just take them through some unnecessary gimmicks and some so-called mathematic tricks or speed math or quick math, something which is impractical and unnecessary. They simply confuse students, and finally the students themselves step out, and because they themselves step out of the program, they will not get any refund or something because of some blah blah corporate terms or something on which parents might have agreed and signed. So this is how they simply exploit millions of children across the globe, make their money, and they get easy funders because funders also know the funda behind this thing, and they are happy with their money. And even if the shop is shut, the only stakeholders who are at loss are the children and parents. So I just would like to appeal to all the parents who are having their children from 5th to 12th class. Please remember one thing: the only skills that are needed for any student to be excelling in his or her career are basic math skills, basic arithmetic skills. And if you want your kid to be very good at arithmetic calculations, the only things that are needed are mathematic tables from 1 to 20. Nothing else is needed to make a student excel in any of the career related competitive exams or math exams. I'm talking starting from SAT, Math Olympiads till CAT, which is one of the toughest exams considered in India, or any other entrance exams. So please remember this, and always see not to get exploited by the marketing gimmicks. Understand what is the important thing and basic things that are needed, and don't push your children unnecessarily towards these things. Education doesn't need brand name. Education always needs some sensibility and genuinity.